So here's the LED strip unpacked, taking it out of the box. And don't be intimidated, you get these brackets right here, wire nuts with the instructions. That's in case you need to replace the ones that are already part of the fluorescent fixture. So I did not, I just did the wires, cut the wires and used them. We have a 4-foot LED T12. Tired of changing ballast in the garage. Going to cut all the wires on the ballast. One end is going to be all neutral, all white. Yellow wires all come to the white wire, alternate. The hot wire is right here. These are 2 wires for each. One of these on each one is going to be hot. The other is going to be back to the white. So one of these is going to be hot. One is going to be back to the alternate or white. Wire stripper here, not the best of light, seeing as I'm putting in a light. I'm using the 16 gauge to strip it. There's the 16. Put the blue wire in at the 16. Crimp it. I'll twist it around a few times. So that worked. Make sure I didn't crimp into the wire there. All good. Alright, so I've stripped all the red and blues right here. If you look over here, see all before, red, blue. I took a red from one and a blue from one. And they're both from the same side just so I can be consistent for me. These are going to go here with the white wires. I'd had that end hooked up already. And reading the directions, I realized that one on this end also needed to be hooked up. So I'm going to line these up, take my wire nut off. Personally, I think this is quite a bit to have in one wire nut. Do that. And I want to come in with electrical tape after I make sure it works. Then, got my 2 hots right here. Grab a wire nut, put them with the hot. All even. Let's put them together. There. Alright. So here's the hot end. Gonna go in one in there, the neutral end. So I'm gonna put this up towards the top because I'm assuming that's the LED strip right there. I want it shining down. So just putting these in is always fun. Alright, so we'll try one. I don't know if it works with just one, but we'll see. And it does. Seems to work. Alright. So there we go. A working light. By far, probably the hardest part was squeezing all those wires back into the, squeezing all the wires back into that ballast cover is probably the hardest part. So just reading directions and understanding a little bit.